What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tampa Boys Customs. Guys, we got a special show here for you. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 performance mods you can do for your Predator 212. So I got all these little nifty little parts sitting out here. So we're going to go through real quick. Got all the bikes in the back. You know how we do. So first we're going to go with the 26 millimeter Mikuni carburetor. This is a real Mikuni carburetor, not a knockoff. You can buy these. How much are these, Jit?
I can't.
You can buy these online, Amazon. I'll put all the links to all these parts in the description below. You guys can check them out. But I've seen a lot of other videos and the guys telling you to use stage 1 kits. This is way 10 times better than a stage 1 kit on a Predator 212.
And remove the governor.
And remove the governor, of course, definitely.
You have to.
Definitely want to go with a real Mikuni carburetor and of course the manifold. I'll put the links to both those in the description below. And then number 2, we have the header. There's multiple different headers you can buy. There's all different kinds. I would not recommend this one right here. This one is not a good one. It broke really fast. But they have some that go through the frame. They have some that go down the side of the frame. There's a bunch of different ones you can use. FDR headers. I forget what they call this one. This is another one.
That's for the Colemans.
This is for the Colemans. And that's the same as mine.
Yeah, for the Warrior too.
For the Warrior too. They fit both. But I recommend you get the header that goes down this one side of the bike, not like all these are. Matter of fact, all 3 of these. Or no, your other one.
No.
Like that one. Yeah, I should turn it around. So that's definitely this. That's next. And then third we have is a 30 series torque converter, which is one of these. It comes with the regular belt-driven clutch. You can get these anywhere from like 60 bucks to like $200 on Amazon.
You actually get them cheaper than that for like 50 bucks.
Yeah, you can get them on eBay for like 50 bucks. But there's a lot of different brands of these. We've used a bunch of them. We actually do good with just the cheap eBay ones. They're like 50, 60 bucks. I think that's what this one is.
Yeah, that's what it is.
There's a part number right there. Y'all can screenshot that. I don't even remember which model this one is, but
you couldn't see it. Couldn't see the part number. There you go.
Right there it is. So that's it right there, guys. Definitely want to have one of these. These are great. They add a lot of torque to your motor. And then even better, number 4, if you want to go to the Juggernaut. Jit runs a Juggernaut on his bike, and it really works. Like, it's a big upgrade. These racing clutches, man, they really work. They're kind of expensive though. What is this thing, like $120, $130 just for this, just for the clutch? It doesn't. You can get that whole driver and everything for 80 bucks, but they definitely work. I mean, I would definitely recommend having one.
They work.
And then 5 but not least is you want to get a good chain. Like this is a MK420 chain. You can buy these on Amazon too. I'll put the links for all this stuff in there. Can you see that? Yeah. MK420. They're good chains. I got one on that bike. Actually, you got a nickel chain on your bike. That one's nickel. It's worked pretty good. My 420 chain hasn't stretched yet. It's been great. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have touched that though. Oh, man. See, that was quick. There it is, guys. Performance mods.
Show them the exhaust that you're talking about.
Here they are. And then that's the one that goes
With a muffler.
with a muffler on there too. It's a lot quieter than my bike too without the muffler.
Hey, you
see, we got the wrap-throughs on these.
We can have a little comparisons, bro.
Yeah. Give them a little demo.
Start mine up. You gotta give it a little throttle. You see that? You see it, guys? Big difference. There it is, guys. Quick little video. Been seeing a lot of other videos on YouTube, so I want to do one real quick and show you what I think my top 5 performance mods are. Guys, have a blast with your mini bikes, man. They're awesome. See you guys on the next one.